Okay, we have learned many verbs actually, and we will learn even more and how to compound them. There are some verbs that are compounded with other verbs. So, git, gel, ye, iç, like these are simple verbs. And when you make it merged with ebilmek, which means be able to or can, able, able, you see, very similar to English version. So it should be easy to remember, but practice, of course. Gidebilirsin. You can go. Gel means come. Gelmek means to come. Here is infinitive also. Yarın gelebilirim. Tomorrow I can come. But I might or I am able to come tomorrow. Yes, the meaning is both I might and I am able to. Yarın gelebilirim. I might come or I'm able to come tomorrow. We will see if I will come. The rest is similar. Ye, eat, yemek, to eat. Çabuk bir şeyler ye, eat something fast, quickly. This is just ye. Okay. You should study these later. Well, these are just examples of simple words actually used in a sentence. Would you like to speak Turkish, for example? Would you? I would. Türkçe konuşmak ister misin? İsterim. I would. Türkçe konuşmak, it's a verb, konuşmak. İster misin? Konuşmak ister misin? Would you like to talk? Two verbs. To like, to like to, it's a verb in Turkish. And konuşmak is also another one. Sabahları yürümek zevkli. Yes. If you talk slowly, maybe I can understand you. Yavaş konuşursan belki anlayabilirim. Okay, okay. Koşabilir misin? Can you run? Sevmek istiyorum. I want to love. Sevebilmek ister misin? Would you like to be able to love? Sevebilmek. Lovability. Would you like it? Yep. When it encounters with a root that has a, o, u, which we called hard vowels, becomes abilmek. And e and e doesn't change because it's the root itself. Ebilmekteki, inside the ebilmek, there is e and e, as you can see. And this doesn't change. Because e changed, if e changed, e could change. But e is the root of this verb, so it doesn't change. So after e continues as a soft vowel. I want to love. Sevmek istiyorum. I want to run. Koşmak istiyorum. Would you like to come? Gelmek ister misiniz? It's simple. If you remember past lessons. Negatives of ebil, abil are eme, ama. İsteyemiyorum. İsteyemiyorum. I cannot want. Examples. Simple present tense. Gidebilirim, gidemem. İsteyebilirim, isteyemem. Simple continuous tense. Gidebiliyorum, gidemiyorum. İsteyebiliyorum, isteyemiyorum. Here is a mini lesson. Gidebileceğim. I will be able to go. I is here. Im. Ecek is will, you know. Ebil is be able to or can. And git is go. T became the softened as a consonant that can soften for the sake of harmony. So I will be able to go. Like reversed. And yes. Write things you aren't yet able to do but you will do. İstediğim her ülkeye İstediğim her ülkeye istediğim zaman gidemiyorum ama gidebileceğim. You can use Google Translate for this one. İstediğim means that I wanted. You know, iste, want, the, past, and I, her, every, ülke, country, to, iste, want, the, past, I, zaman is time, git is go, eme is negative, your is continuous tense present, is I, of course, and ama is but. Practice, practice, practice, practice. See you in the next one.